756 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 756. Therefore, 756 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 24.8031496062 feet. So, in other words, 756 centimeters equals 24.8031496062 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.